So, alright, I'm getting out. I made it as far as their plant or rest area. I haven't been in here in a while. Usually I just ride right by it. And look, air plants, they just have like their, just all died. And there's a couple of ones up higher that's still living, but look, they're all like going through a dying phase. There's a lot of them here, 30 or 40 of them. Look at them right there, that one right there. But there's a few in between that are still growing, still striving. But a lot of them died, like right on the outside here. Like, that's crazy. Maybe, I don't know. But still nice in here. It's still restful. Yep. So now I'm tired. It's like 2 hours and and this is how far I've made it. I went through Toledo Loop and I've been through Lollipop Woods. I've cut some low stuff that was low here and there and a lot of areas. I've cut a lot of low stuff. And poking things. I feel awful because the trail is, so I was like, wow. And I've been riding, I rode at night with T-Rod, and then I guess I've been, I don't know. I was surprised to see all the low stuff, real low stuff. But it's just it comes and goes, and sometimes it comes in a lot. Like there's a lot of places I all at once they all get low. So, you know, rest area looks good. It's dry too. I'm definitely I would like to use the blower today in the middle section. I'm in the third section, coming out of the rest area. Now I'm just looking for some low stuff or anything that's gonna poke me in the face. I'm just gonna take care of it. There's some low stuff right here, but it's pretty obvious. There was a couple of spots I stopped that was just low for the longest time. Finally, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna stop and take care of it. Oh, but each one of those turned into a little bit of a project. I think I recorded some of them, not all of them, but some of them I recorded. All right, let's take a look what we got around. Whoa. I'm just beach cruiser mode, not even beach cruiser. Whoa, watch out. I'm just going slow. I'm looking at everything. Everything looks good. I know there's something around this corner. Right here. Just a little sticking out stuff. This right here, Pap. This right here. Just this big dog. Until I can get in here with a trimmer. Get rid of some of this big poking stuff. Poke. Alright, that's good. Oh, wait a minute. It's hanging down right here. Plus I just found them pedal grabbers, everything, and just stuff I haven't cut in a while. I needed to be cut, and I just keep putting it off, or it was something that was low, but it wasn't too low, and then over time it grew and grew, and it get lower. Anyways, I'm done with that, all that. So far, I'm in the third section. I'm about to work. I don't know if I'm going in Space Mountain. I don't know. I went through it with T-Rod. I know if I go in there, it does need some trimming. I just don't have time right now. I want to get off my bike, get back, get the blower. Get some of these low ones around here. Bunch of low palm fronds. See, this one is on its way. This one too is on its way. Hanging down. This one, two maybe. That's good. Alright, what's that over there? Alright, all these right here. This looks like a branch or something. Pine tree branch. Well, alright, right here, this one. Take that one too. Ooh, this one too. We're over by the finger. I know there's a bunch of stuff over by the finger. That's good. Yeah, that's good. There's some around this corner. I don't want to get on my bike and right here. This one right here. In your face. What? This one going, this brand new one right here. Maybe cut this back a little bit. There we go. Maybe this one too. It's sticking out a little bit too. What's this over here, right here? Poke it down just the tip of it. Not stepping in and fire ant pile. No. Hey. I have a hard time getting rid of that one. This right here. Okay, this one right here. This one right here coming in your face. This whole corner right here going into the finger. I like it. It's just sandy. Let's scrape it a little bit. I like going fast in here. Well, I got my bike back there. We'll go fast in here. And then over here, just kind of ramp it up. Go right around that corner. So we'll just clear this out a little bit. The sand. It's always here. It's like a clump of it right there. Go up with it. Yes. Nice. You want to be somewhere right around here. The line, I guess. When you come around that corner, let's take a look. It looks good. And then get these. And just kind of ride this. What's this right here? Get rid of that. That way you can go right up on that berm. This was sticking right in. You couldn't even see it. And another piece right here. Like I said, you come around that corner fast and you get high right up on here, right on that ridge. Just slide the whole, just ride that ridge right there, that whole bank, or whatever ridge, I don't know, bank, whatever. That's it, right here. I like going in there, pap. Just pap. It's good. Pap. That's good. Take a few more swipes from my foot. See what kind of music I got going on here on the radio. If it's even working. Let me turn the power on. Oh, all right, let's see what we got. Oh, come on now. Maybe the battery died. Maybe it didn't. Maybe I don't got a good signal. Maybe I do. Alright, let me get this. Jump again. Alright, hold on now. I do like that. Snapple Papple. That's good. This mountain bike going. I'm gonna live as long as no one. When I do die, at my funeral, when I do die, I want somebody to play this song. When I die and to lay me to rest. Gonna go to the place that's the best. When I lay me down to die, going up to the spirit in the sky. Going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go. Wait a minute, hold on now. Let me shut this in the face, buddy. Let me just trim this down. This little flowerage going on here. Bap, bap, bap. Wipe on the finger. Bap, bap. No problem for the samurai. Even the dull samurai handles this. You know it's a must. Gotta have a friend in Jesus. Oh, you know that when I die, gonna send me Angie to this. Gonna recommend you. He's gonna recommend. He's gonna recommend you. He's gonna say, look, I recommend this so and so goes. Those two I'm recommending. I'm giving my recommendation. My name is Jesus. So what you need to do is befriend Jesus. He'll get you in. He'll put in the word for you. Sorry, he's with me. That's what you'll say. He gave his life. He's with me. He's with me. I got him. Don't worry. Yeah, don't worry about him. Let him in. Yeah, he's with me. That's what I'm hoping. This little pump sticking in the leg. Take a look right here. Finger looking good. Fingers looking good. The finger looking good trail. Fingers looking good. That's for sure. Apple, snapple, apple. I got no. A little bit of rockage. When I counted, I never sinned. I got a friend in Jesus. So you know that when I die, you're gonna hook me up with the moon in the sky. Set me up, beanbag. And just bring it down this hill. I don't see anybody coming. If I do, I'll run back and get my bike. Take a look. That looks good. Just needs a trimmer. Need someone to walk. I'm gonna walk this with the trimmer sometime soon. That's at the third section. It's a little bit more trimming up my finger wise. I'm up on top. Hillsboro right there going by. That's Hillsboro Road or whatever. Boulevard. Hillsboro. I think it is a boulevard. Ain't no joke. What's up, homie? Dropping in. Looking at anything sticking down, sticking into your face. That looks pretty good. Just needs a blower. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Get up. Kind of messy through here. Blower would be nice. So I can do anything. I can do all things. Gratitude gives me strength. Nothing is impossible. Whoa, watch out. I gotta get home. I gotta get some food in me. Low on fuel right now. I'm living a little sandy right there. Watch out. Crossing the top. I can live my what I see. Somebody cut that root. That might have been done a while ago, but it looks fresh. I don't think it was me. Should I go in the Space Mountain? Gosh. No, it's too much. I don't get the time. I make excuses not to go in the Space Mountain. That's how scary it is. It's so scary that I often make oh, I'm not, my arm hurts a little bit. Maybe I'll get it next time. Yep. Here it is right up here. Oh, let's get by with a. Oh, wait a minute, Palm Farm right there in the beginning. Oh. I see. Come on now. Is that a pedal grabber? That is a pedal grabber. Let me take care of that. Let me take care of business. Hold on now. That's definitely a pedal grabber. I mean, let me get a dictionary. Let me get a picture for the dictionary. Send it to him. Be that pedal grabber. Get a picture of this. Come on now. What's this right here? Oh. Gosh, looks good. Space Mountain. That's right. Looks good. I ain't going in there. Damn. I don't got the time, or you know, something. Yeah, I got this thing going on. I gotta go. See you later. No Space Mountain for me. Yeah, I forgot I had this appointment or something. I can't afford to spend the 5 minutes or whatever it takes to get, well, you know, to get through it. And I know, I go through it all the time. Up here, I'm gonna take the new way, the Ridge Line, instead of taking Ridge Line instead of taking Swazi Berm. Swazi Berm to the right, Ridge Line to the left. Or drop down if you want to do a drop down. You can do that too, but I ain't doing the drop down. Let me clean up the drop down now so people know it's a drop down. Fix this up so you can see it. That's Swazi Berm right below there. This is the drop down if you want to drop into Swazi Berm, or you take Ridgeline. Let me cut that. And that cone is there just to let you know that drop is there, I guess. I don't know, somebody put that. Maybe it was me. I don't know who did. But this is my new favorite way. I call it Ridge Line because it's kind of like along the ridge. You got Swazi Berm right there, Swazi Berm way, or Ridge Line. Ridge Line is, I do like it. What's this rock right here? I'll take it up top. Okay. That's fine. Let me take this. Let me just sleep. Here we are now. Worker, light of the darkness, that is who we are. Looks good. I do like this way. And just need it leads you right to that tabletop right up there. Just a little lip, and that's it. Nice, yeah, nice little jumper right there. And this will set you up. Either way, set you up for it. But this way looks like it might be a straighter way. I'll put that right there. Look at this. There is a shovel right there. Stash shovel right there, because it's a sandy center. I worship you. Alright, I like it. Let's get my bike. Turn this. You are here. I worship you. I worship you. Are Waymaker. All right, let's hit it. Ridgeline, 2024 April. Psst, let's get to. Whoa! Oh, watch out! No. Yeah, you're the Waymaker. All right. Ridgeline, tabletop. See that rock right there? It just lift right up over there. It's just a nice landing. I would do that jump. Ah. What? That's right. Snapple. I gotta get going. I've been here for 2 hours. I haven't even did one lap. 2 hours I've been here. Over 2 hours. I only stopped once to rest. The other stops are all to do maintenance. Let's get it done. Let's get home.